Hey guys, as you all know, last weekend we took our first trip with the YXZ. We went down to West Virginia with some friends and we had a really good time, but unfortunately we did not get the footage we were hoping to. Actually, the first night we went out, we didn't have cameras or anything. It was dark. It was just a night ride. And we were out maybe half hour until we realized that the clutch is shot in our machine. So the YXZ needs a new clutch. We probably could have kept riding, but the gears were just slipping and we didn't want to risk it. We just took it back and parked it, and then we ended up just bumming with some friends and tagging along with them. But we still had a really good time. Unfortunately, I just didn't get the footage I was hoping to for the video this week. So once again, guys, I'm sorry the trip didn't go as planned, but there's more where that came from. In the meantime, we have the clutch ordered, so the clutch is on its way. So we're gonna have a video replacing that and all that good stuff and getting it running the way it should. But in the meantime, we're gonna work on the boat and getting that reverse cable fixed up. So let's get to it. All right, so first things first, we have to take the, what would you even call this? There was a little cover over it. It was just 4 screws, simple enough. But now, if you look down here, we have 4 Allen screws, it looks like. And for the life of me, I could not figure out what size this was. We used both metric and regular, what do you call this? We used our normal Allen wrenches and we used metric Allen wrenches, and we still couldn't figure out what the size was. So I just found a little one laying around, like something we would have gotten a kit to like put a chair together or something. And it ended up working. So I'm pretty sure it's a size like 3.5 or something, because 3 is too small, 4 is too big, metric. So can you hand it to me? So literally found this little guy and got lucky. So like I said, I'm pretty sure it's a 3.5, but who knows? So we're gonna go ahead and take these out. Oh, these things. When I was reading online trying to figure out what size this was, it said everyone usually just has to like drill them out or bore them out or whatever, because they're almost impossible to get out, because these Allen heads, they just strip out, I guess. And they're probably stripping out because nobody knows what size it is. But I guess we just got lucky. I'm excited to see what's under here because we don't really know where it's broken. It could just be broken right at the end of the shifter. This is what we need right here. I don't know how we're gonna.
What one is it?
This one. So it looks like it just screws up in there and you can adjust it. Throttle. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, so this line right here that runs down and goes underneath the engine comes out in the back, and it just runs up through right to where the shifter is. Let's get the new one. Oh, that's snow falling. So here's the new one.
Looks like that should slide down, huh?
Uh-huh. And then that pin comes out?
Yeah, that probably pops off. Or it goes through.
I think this pin comes. Oh! So bad for my back. I got it. Drop the piece. All right. So this piece right here just clips on like that and then slides over. Can you see? Just clips on like that and slides over top of this pin right here. And when I slid it down, it fell off and fell in there. So let's make sure we don't do that again. So let's just take it off. And now this pin right here slides out because it looks like you can adjust it and put it wherever you want. But we're probably just gonna keep it where it is. So we'll take that out, try not to drop it. Oh, this should come off. Oh, we gotta take that off. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right, now this should come off. Okay, so now we can unscrew this off of here. And that'll go on the new one. All right. Now we gotta take the old one out.
Need a light on there.
Now we can pull it out of there. There's the end. Okay. Now let's take the back off and see where exactly it goes. Right here is that same line. So I have to take that bolt off and figure out how to feed the new one through. You can shut that off. Okay, can you see?
Oh yeah.
A nut, a washer, a bolt. I need a light. All right, so I'm trying to figure out what all we need to take off back there. And it looks like it looks like it's broken right here. Literally right at the back is where it's broken. So looks rusty. All right, so we're going to take this whole piece from here back off. And we have 4 Allen bolts that we need to take out. Those 2, and then these 2 down here. So we're gonna go ahead and take that off. Okay. Oh shit. The whole propeller and everything's coming out. All right, we got the whole frame off. Now we gotta try to get this bolt right here loosened. See what we can do. Oh, and by the way, we couldn't find any like video tutorials or any instructions or anything, so we're just learning as we go. So we're going in blind. Let me get in with my little fingers now. Oh, it's out. Okay, it's out. Oh yeah, you ready?
What are you thinking? How?
I don't know. Let's just do it.
I think
do it as we go.
Just pull the whole old one out. That's gonna.
Well, pull it out most of the way, but I don't need to see if it's cleared up out back here.
Yank this thing out. Ready?
Yep. Nice and easy. Okay, just inch by inch. Hang on a second.
Ready?
Yeah. Can you not pull it anymore?
Oh no, you ready?
Yeah.
Am I gonna get caught on anything?
No. Wait. Hold. Woo! Finally.
We earned that one.
All right, we finally got the old line out. We were being held up underneath the motor by this freaking wrench. Looks like it's been there a while and it was causing us some trouble. We couldn't pull the old line out because it got pinched up in this, between this and the bracket that holds the freaking motor down. So we finally got the old one out. Now we're gonna feed the new one through. Cannon's ready to do that now. So let's do it.
Alright, we got the new cable here. We gotta feed it back through that hole that you guys can see with the light coming through. So we'll see if we can't get it through there. Got it started on my end, so now Kyla's gonna get it where she wants it, up here in the boat. Alright, it's getting almost to the end.
All right, so we did get the cable fed through and we're just about right to where we need it. But I guess this is where we stop because that nut that we worked on that was back in here that held everything together is now broken. So we had to get this rubber piece out of there so we could slide it off the whole thing. And it busted. So I guess this is where we stop. Yeah, we'll go ahead and get that part in and we'll continue in another video. So, all right guys, well, that's what we're gonna finish with the boat. Like I said, I just need to get one of those lock nuts or whatever you wanna call them. And we have it on the way. We have it ordered. It's coming from Amazon. So it should be here in a couple days. And then really all we have to do is just finish putting everything together. I mean, we had the new cable in. The hardest part was feeding it through, especially since we were caught up on that freaking wrench. But we got it out. We got the old cable out. And we got the new one in. So all we have to do is just put it back together. Here's the wrench. Dad said for some reason that he wants to try to salvage it and use it. So I don't know what he's gonna do. It's in pretty bad shape, but we'll see what he can do. All right, guys. Well, I just want to thank everyone for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching.